And there you have it. It's delicious and refreshing chicken egg salads and perfect for any occasion. Feel free to customize this recipe and add favorite veggie or herbs. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and happy cooking. And Linda will be doing the final presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Linda. Welcome back to our cooking channel. Today, we have a nutritious recipe for you, chicken egg salad. This recipe is perfect for a light lunch or a healthy snack. It's easy to make and packed with protein and veggies, making it a satisfying and well-rounded meal. Let's prepare the ingredients, please. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, eggs, half a cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, -1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/cup diced celery, a 1/4 cup diced red onion, salt and pepper, to taste fresh herbs, such as dill or parsley, for garnish, bread or salad greens, for serving. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we'll be showing you how to make a mouth-watering egg salad that's perfect a quick and healthy meal. Let's start cooking, learn step by step. Tuna and egg salad wrap. Add 2 bay leaves and salt. Stir until is right. Add 4-ounce chicken breast. Add 1 lemon slice. Prepare 1 leaf lettuce. Cutting vertical and horizontal. Prepare 6 grape tomatoes. Cutting the tomatoes. Boil the chicken breasts for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from the pot. Shredded chicken into small pieces. Get 1 boiled egg, peel and shred it. Shredding the egg. Place 1 whole wheat tortilla. Add 2 tablespoons blue cheese dressing. Spread over the tortilla. Add celery. Add shredded chicken. Add tomatoes. Add shredded egg over. Ready to wrap up. Ready to serve the chicken egg salad. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this tasty chicken egg salad. Give it a try at home and share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Happy cooking! And you can start an online business just by cooking at your home. Happy learning and cooking at home. My mentor Dickie will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones and do it at home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your expertise in your home for an online business. For more information, contact Dickie at dickelim@gmail.com, website, https://plrsalesfunnel.com.